Use your brain in birth. This is a really good decision-making tool or skill that you can take with you that will help when you're confronted with a decision. In birth, potentially you might be surrounded by health professionals that know a lot of medical terminology, they know a lot about what's happening, and you potentially don't know all of these terms, you don't know all of these procedures. So if you are given the opportunity, because remember this, it is always an opportunity. You are never told what to do. It is always your choice. That is so important. Even if the delivery of the question is more a statement, it's still a question and you still have the chance to say no. Hi, I'm Karen, the founder of PregActive, and I'm here to help you leave fear at the door and totally own your birthing experience. This is just one small component of our complete 10-module birth preparation program. Become one of our PregActive mamas and walk into birth feeling completely confident, informed, and empowered. So use this. BRAIN. B stands for benefits. What are the benefits to me and my baby of this procedure? R. Risks. What are the risks to me and my baby of this procedure? A. Alternatives. What are the alternatives to this procedure? I. Intuition. What is your gut telling you? What is your intuition telling you? Because that, particularly in birth, is really important. N. Now. What if we don't act now? What will happen? How long have we got? What if we do nothing? Benefits, risks, alternatives, intuition, and now. This is important to know for everybody, this, because you can be overridden in the system. I personally had it where a doctor came in talking at me like I was having to do X, Y, Z, and I just said no. I talked back, stood up for myself. And I'm not saying all doctors are like this, but there are many out there, and I don't want you to be victim to the system and being overridden. And I want you to have that empowered birth. I want you to feel like your voice is being heard, and that is important. See below to access my free active birth class. For more videos just like this, visit pregactive.com.